In the knowledge society, managers must prepare to abandon everything they know. The New Society of Organizations. By Peter F. Drucker. Every few hundred years throughout Western history, a sharp transformation has occurred. In a matter of decades, society altogether rearranges itself, its worldview, its basic values, its social and political structures, its arts, its key institutions. 50 years later a new world exists. And the people born into that world cannot even imagine the world in which their grandparents lived and into which their own parents were born. Our age is such a period of transformation. Only this time the transformation is not confined to Western society and Western history. Indeed, one of the fundamental changes is that there is no longer a Western history or a Western civilization. There is only world history and world civilization. Whether this transformation began with the emergence of the first non-Western country, Japan, as a great economic power, or with the first computer, that is, with information as mood. My own candidate would be the GI Bill of Rights, which gave every American soldier returning from World War I the money to attend a university. Something that would have made absolutely no sense only 30 years earlier at the end of World War I. The GI Bill of Rights and the enthusiastic response to it on the part of America's veterans signaled the shift to a knowledge society. In this society, knowledge is the primary resource for individuals and for the economy overall. Land, labor, and capital, the economist's traditional factors of production, do not disappear, but they become secondary. They can be obtained, and obtained easily, provided there is specialized knowledge. At the same time, however, specialized. Peter F. Drucker is the Clark Professor of Social Science and Management at the Claremont Graduate School in Claremont, California. This article is adapted from his new book, Post-Capitalist Society, to be published in early 1993 by HarperCollins. This is Mr. Drucker's 30th article for HBR.